Right, here we come to the parking elevators of the Treasure Island Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. These are Dover Traflomatic 4. Let's see which one will be. I have to talk over the music because of copyright reasons. One should be here any moment now. We got this one right here. All right, let's go inside. There's Big Brother. Street. These things are sadly going to be modernized. All right, let's go to 7. All right, let's close the door. I love these buttons. Here we are at 7. All right, let's go back down to the hotel and casino. Great, there's music up here. I thought there wasn't. Anyways, similar to the guest elevators. I don't know if these are going to be modernized, but these are about to be after the main elevators are done. There's your phone, non-ADA. There are your fixtures. All right, let's get out the elevator. Let's watch the elevator door close. All right, come on, close. There it goes. And that's it.